Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to create a Microsoft form. So let's have a look now. Open your web browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. In the Microsoft Forms dashboard, click on the New Form button to start a new form. Click here and give your form a name. So choose a title that reflects the purpose of your form. Next, start adding questions. Click on the Add Question button and you will be able to choose different question types such as multiple choice, text, rating and more. Enter your question and possible answers for respondents. Customize each question settings as needed. You can make a question required, shuffle answer choices, and even add branching logic based on response. These options are available in the menu that appears next to each question. Here you can include images, videos, or add a file. These elements can enhance the overall look and functionality of your form. To give your form a personalized touch, click on the Style button, choose from available themes, customize colors to match your preferences. A visually appealing form can engage respondents more effectively. Before sharing your form, click on Preview to see how it will look to respondents. This ensures your form is user-friendly and appears as expected. After you have finalized your form, click on Collect Response button in the upper right corner. You can generate a link to share directly, send the form via email, or even embed it on a website. Choose the option that suits your needs. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.